What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Smooth scrolling is a feature in the Google Chrome browser that enhances your browsing experience. When you scroll through web pages, instead of the typical abrupt jumps, smooth scrolling creates a more fluid, seamless motion. This makes reading and navigating through long pages much more comfortable and visually pleasing. Now, let's walk through the steps to activate this feature. It's quite easy, and you'll notice the difference right away. First, you need to open your Google Chrome browser. Once it's open, look at the top of the window where the web address is displayed. Here, you're going to type a special address to access Chrome's experimental features. Type in chrome://flags. And then press enter on your keyboard. This action will take you to a new page in Chrome. This page is like a hidden menu where you can enable or disable various experimental features that aren't yet part of the standard settings. It's a bit like a secret lab for Chrome's features. In this flags menu, there's a search bar at the top. Click on this search bar and type smooth scrolling. Then press enter. This will bring up the smooth scrolling option in the list of features below. In the search results, you'll see smooth scrolling listed. Next to it, there's a button or a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Enabled. This action turns on the smooth scrolling feature. You might notice other options there, but for now, we're just focusing on enabling this particular feature. After you've done this, Chrome will prompt you to restart the browser to apply the changes. You will see a button that says Relaunch. Click on this button. Don't worry, Chrome will reopen all your tabs after the restart. Once Chrome relaunches, smooth scrolling will be active. You can test this by opening a long web page and scrolling through it. You should notice that the motion is much smoother than before. And that's it. You've successfully enabled smooth scrolling in Google Chrome, and your browsing experience should now be more fluid and eye-friendly. I've compiled these steps along with some additional tips and information in an extensive guide. You can find the link to this guide in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.